Hi there! Today I'd like to show you the most stylish van ever, the Custom X Black Series. It's bold and sexy, just take a look. The car exterior has been totally remade. Look at this stylish body kit. We have an aggressive and sporty front bumper, arch extensions, side sills, a roof spoiler and a rear bumper with double exhaust tips. The car also has bespoke rims and stylish stickers. Take a look inside. The Custom X Black Series has super luxury red upholstery with black inserts. The remade seats make it sporty and stylish. The steering wheel has been reshaped and trimmed with leather. It's really comfortable. It's a new level of driving experience. Let's see the passenger compartment. Carlex Design experts have installed bespoke Carlex seats here. They're really comfortable and look great. They will make the longest journey a wild pleasure. The Custom X Black Series, it's a perfect choice for a bunch of fans of top quality, comfort and great design. Enjoy the ride!